Hello everyone, this is Somya and you're watching The Glow Girl Tales. Welcome back to my channel. Today, as you can see the topic itself, it's a 30 days intermittent fasting plan, and because the celebration time is here, it's already, you all must be willing to get into a plan that can give you great results. So I think this 30 days intermittent fasting plan can actually help you. I don't believe in fad diets. I don't believe in anything of that cannot be sustainable, that is not there for a longer term, as you know by my channel itself that I always promote sustainable goals, and intermittent fasting is a lifestyle pattern. I have been doing it over years now. I don't know, I think 2-3 years now. So I have been loving it, and I have a detailed video on how intermittent fasting works, how it can actually help you, and everything in detail, what science goes behind it. There is a detailed video about it on my channel. You can find that out, and I'll put the link here as well. But for now, it would be a 30 days intermittent fasting plan that can help you get great results when it comes to your weight loss, fat loss, and also get rid of any kind of health problems that you have in a longer run. So yes, try it for 30 days and then probably you can take it forward for a longer term. So now we'll begin with a 30 days intermittent fasting plan. Now if you're a beginner, I would always suggest go with 12:12, that is 12 hours of fasting and 12 hours of eating pattern. Like 8 hours, when you have your dinner at 8, then the next meal to have, or the breakfast to have it at 8 in the morning. So this is a 12 hours of fasting window, and if you have been doing intermittent fasting and you are comfortable with it, you can go with 14:10 intermittent fasting, that is 14 hours of fasting and 10 hours of eating. So for example, if you have your dinner at 8, then you have to have your breakfast at 10 next morning. So this is how the 14:10 works. And if you are a pro and you can do intermittent fasting, like I have been doing, I do 16:8. So like the dinner at 8, then the breakfast at 12. This is how I go about it. But I have been doing it since 3 years, and now I think my body is adapted to it. Don't really directly jump onto 16:8. It will lead to headache and unwanted digestive problems because your body is not ready for it. Give some time, begin with 12:12, then go to 14:10, and then finally 16:8. So now the intermittent fasting plan for this video I would suggest is to go for 14:10 because it would be intermediate for everybody. So if you begin your day at 10 o'clock, that is 10, you can shift the windows according to your choice, your preference. If you can have your dinner at 6, then probably you will have your breakfast at 8. So you can shift all those windows according to your timing. The only thing that you need to take care is that the fasting window should be 14 hours. If that 14 hours of gap is maintained between your dinner and the next meal of your day, that is the breakfast, then definitely you are able to achieve the intermittent fasting. So after having your early morning drink, start with having some nuts, 4 to 5 almonds and 4 to 5 walnuts. These will always help you start your day and let your body communicate that you have started your day slowly and steadily. After that, you go with your breakfast. If you are doing your workout prior to your breakfast, then it will serve as a post-workout meal as well. So your breakfast, your lunch, your dinner, everything should be very much balanced because your body needs all the vitamin, minerals, protein, carbs, fat, everything in balance. So your breakfast should also be very much balanced. So these are all the breakfast options that you can see here. All of these options are completely balanced. Now in your breakfast itself, if you're doing your workout prior to your breakfast, then it will be serving as a post-workout meal. So you need to add protein so that you get energy throughout the day to sustain, also your muscles to replenish and recover. So if you can add a protein shake in this particular meal of the day, that can always help you get great results, and it's according to your choice. If you're not working out, then don't do it because excess protein can lead to the formation of fat in your body. So protein shake is only recommended for people who are doing intense workouts, who is doing exercises. If you're not doing any exercise, please avoid protein shake. Second thing that we go after the breakfast, like 2 hours of breakfast, is a morning snack or a morning drink. Now your metabolism should keep on working continuously. So everything in moderation throughout the day will make sure that your metabolism is working, your digestive system is working, you are giving it a work to do throughout the day. This is how your metabolism will be boosted. Most of the people, they don't eat much, still they are not able to achieve the calorie deficit and see any results in their body. It is because of the bad metabolism that they have. So you have to work on your metabolism, and for that you need to keep giving your body some food, some small meals throughout the day. So this mid-morning snack should have a herbal tea or any specific fruit if you have not had it in your breakfast. So this will actually help you keep up with the metabolism and also curb the unwanted cravings that actually happen. After that is the lunch time. There should be enough gap between your breakfast and lunch, at least 3 hours of gap. Then this lunch time again should have complete meal, again balanced protein, carbs, fats, vitamins and minerals, and very importantly add some prebiotic in your lunch. Now this is a very important tip and a highlight of your lunch. If you add a good amount of probiotic and a prebiotic in your lunch, your digestive system is in place, your gut bacteria is taking care of itself. It's very, very important, because some of us actually get into a dietary pattern, we don't focus on these important aspects, and as a result the digestive system takes a toll, then metabolism gets disturbed. So it's important to add good amount of prebiotic and probiotic in your lunch. Now if you are not lactose intolerant, then go for curd, buttermilk added in your lunch. If you are lactose intolerant means if you feel heavy, bloated after having like milk based products, then you can go with a banana, papaya, oranges in your diet with your lunch. These actually help you get enough amount of probiotics and prebiotics. Now even if you don't get that much amount of time to have all these fruits and this curd and buttermilk, however you should have that much amount of time, you can also go with supplements. So yes, make sure that you add good amount of prebiotics and probiotics in your lunch along with other balanced meals that you have. After that, like 2 hours of your lunch, there should be a snack time. Now snack, as I said, these snacks will act as a metabolism booster. They will make sure that your digestive system is continuously working, your body is continuously working. So this snack will always help you, because you will not have unwanted cravings at the other time of the day, because you are satisfying it with the small meals. Now this snacks should have roasted makhane, peanuts, all of those things, roasted paneer, giving as a fillers, like giving an opportunity for you to act as a filler. Like for example, you are not able to keep up with the protein value, you are not able to keep up with the fats, you are not able to keep up with the good high fiber. So these snack will act as a filler. So you can have a protein bar, you can have roasted makhane, you can have peanuts, you can have roasted paneer. All of these things when you have in your snack, you will not have any unwanted cravings, and also the requirement of your protein, carbs and fats will be satisfied, that should be satisfied throughout the day. After 1.5 hour of your snack, you need to have dinner. Now dinner, most of you and most of us, I also used to believe that dinner should be very light. Dinner should not be heavy, it should have like soup, salads, just that. I think this is one of the biggest misconceptions that exist out there. Nothing light or heavy that matters. The balance is the key, and it is important to have balanced meals in your dinner as well. Because if you are just having salads or soups in your dinner, then you might feel hungry by the midnight or at 12 or by the night for sure. So when I say salads, just salads, even if you are having salad, they need to be balanced. They should have good amount of protein, carbs, fats, dinner. So on my Instagram, I have variety of salad recipes that are completely balanced. They don't feel like salads. They have everything in balance. The protein is balanced, carb is balanced, fats are balanced. So all of these things needs to be balanced. You need to have a complete meal in your dinner. You cannot just restrict yourself to have calorie restricted dinners. You have to have balanced meals. All of your meals should be balanced. They should not give any big importance to your breakfast and very less importance to your dinner. It shouldn't be any case like that. It should be balanced for all the 3 meals. These are the options that you can have for your dinner, but all the meals should be very much balanced. So yes, After having your dinner, you need to go for a walk. This is a very important and mandatory step because I feel that it has been working with all of my students and for me as well. Go for at least 15 to 20 minutes of walk post your dinner. It will avoid developing those unwanted belly pouches. I know this, so it's very important for you to go for a walk because it actually helps you get better with the digestion. It actually helps you get rid of all the bloating that happens, because usually after dinner you might get those problems, acidity, bloating. These things will never happen to you if you go for this 15 to 20 minutes post your dinner. This will actually help your digestive system. Then after your dinner, and I think 1 hour prior to your bedtime, you should always have a herbal tea. Now when I say herbal tea, you can go with chamomile tea, lemongrass tea, even green tea, which is of very light concentration. This always helps you get better with your metabolism and also better with the digestion the next day. So it always helps you. I have been seeing some great results with the presence of any herbal tea before bedtime. So yes, this is the complete intermittent fasting plan. Now for intermittent fasting window, that is the particular window from your dinner to the morning drink. You can have all the early morning drinks in your fasting window. You can have coconut water as well in your fasting window, because the calories that it gives, it's very much less. 1 glass of coconut water is okay to have in the fasting window. You can have black coffee in your fasting window. You can have green tea, chamomile tea, lemongrass tea, or any herbal tea in your fasting window. No milk in the tea is important because milk has lots of calories and also it's lactose intolerant. So you cannot, lactose based, so you cannot have that. But yes, all of these things can be taken in your intermittent fasting window, and now you can decide the window for yourself. That is your choice, but this is how it works, and this is a very simple way of having it. 30 days plan can be made out of this complete intermittent fasting action plan. This is very simple. These are the options that you can use, and just let me know what results that you get after following it for 30 days. I would be looking forward to all your transformation results. Every day when you follow this kind of a plan, make sure that you tag me, you share your picture with me, you share your meal pictures with me on my Instagram handle. My Instagram handle would be here. Looking forward to the amazing results, because I always focus on a long term and a sustainable results, and I know when you send these kind of pictures to me, you will be motivated and I will be motivated to see them as well. So yes, I'll see you in my next video. This was all about it. Make sure that you follow it and let me know about it. So yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Till then, stay fit, stay happy. I love you all. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon, and yeah, bye bye, stay fit, stay happy.